1967 Camaro. I did the back end of the car with a 9-inch rails, floor, trunk, fuel tank. Now we got to do the subframe from speedtech to make the tire go inside 3 inches. Spindles, rack and pinion. You already got LS. Your car is from Mississippi. It's a beautiful build. We're still doing the bottom of them. I will show you the bottom in a minute. Got a new rail. We got room for another 3 inches tire in the back. Got a new floor. All the way to right here. We gotta put a new floor, but the subframe is the main thing we need to have it before we continue with that side restoration. I'll show you another car we built 2020, how it look like. Just give me a minute.